Hey everybody, today at UPR we're going to be doing a service on one of the UPR Mustangs here. As you can see, it has the plastic oil pan with the plastic yellow Ford drain plug. You know, they have some play from the factory, and we're going to go ahead and drain this out and put one of the UPR's billet drain plugs in. So it's just a quick turn. And sometimes they get a little stubborn. You might be tempted to use pliers, but be careful because it is plastic.
Yeah, sometimes the tabs just break off. That happens.
Especially in cold weather, yeah.
Yep, absolutely.
Now that comes rushing out. So you can see this is a single O-ring plastic drain plug from the factory, and we're going to upgrade that today. All right, so now that we have the oil drained out of our Mustang here, we're going to install UPR's new billet drain plug. It's an easy grip design, double O-ring, a wave washer to hold tension on it, as well as a magnet. When this gets installed, you're going to go ahead and wipe the residual oil out of this, and this gets pushed in and turned to install. So push in and turn until you feel it lock. It's going to kind of spring back, and that's it. UPR Products billet oil drain plug. Much more sturdy than the factory drain plug. Get yours at uprproducts.com or any UPR Products dealer.